Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can simply use Deribit platform, Deribit, and this is a cryptocurrency trading platform. As I have also provided the referral link in the description box, please check it out. If you follow the description box link, then you can see this kinds of interface, and if you follow our link, then you will get free rewards over there. So hurry up and use our referral link. Here you can see the interface over there, like a register, username, passport, confirm passport, and everything else. So before moving towards the Deribit function and the functionality, so you need to fill the form like email, passport, phone number. So I cannot enter the email. It's against YouTube policy, so I can guide you. Please enter the email, and please you can simply enter the username, after that password and confirm passport and your location over there. After that you can successfully log in or register the Deribit account, and don't forget to use our referral link. So here you can see, after the registration you can see this kinds of interface. Now I'm going to teach you how you can simply deposit or withdraw the money. So before that, to enter in the trading platform, before entering the trading platform, you need to deposit some amount of money. So how can you deposit the money? I can simply tell you over there. So here you can see the interface, and like this, for instance, you can simply follow the steps over there. So for withdraw and deposit, you can simply see here like address, total balance, and current session, profit, loss, everything, and amount, which how much amount you want to deposit for or how much you want to withdraw for. Simply you can. And withdrawal address. Okay, here you can see like withdrawal address means like for example your address over there, like in which place you live, then you can simply do as it is. So I don't have any types of money over there, so I'm just teaching you how you can simply deposit or simply withdraw the money. This is just a tutorial for you. So and you can simply enter your withdrawal address, like for example, if you have a bank on like I'm from Bangladesh, so I live in Dhaka, so you can simply use the address like your capital city or which place you belongs to. You can simply enter some such place, specific place. And here you can see the interface like how much balance you can withdraw. Like I have 0 balance right now, so I cannot withdraw, but if you have, then you can simply withdraw from Deribit platform. So if you find that this platform is useful and you start doing trading here, then you can have a profit over here. After that you will be able to withdraw some amount of your profitable amount over there. So please you can simply deposit and withdraw the money over there. So I don't have money right now, but I'm teaching you how you can simply withdraw. So I cannot show all the information, it's against YouTube algorithm and the policy over there. So priority, which are medium, large, very low, and you can simply give the priority over there, and you can simply check the withdrawal history, whether your money goes to your account or not. Simply, it's just a very easy and simple process over there. Now I'm going to teach you how you can simply trade over Deribit platform. So this is a trading platform, so this is a very useful and very nice platform over here. So you can see the interface like buy or sell. If you see the green signal and the red signal over there, like green is for buy and red is for sell. So at the right side you can see like the price and the amount where appear here. So whichever you want to buy or sell for, you can simply sell it or buy it. So for instance, if you like one Bitcoin or any other like BTC, then you can simply sell that. And if you think after all, if you think you are in a profit, then you can simply sell that currency. So it is just a very easy process that you can simply buy or sell the crypto over there, like BTC, ETH, SQL, USDC, everything you can buy or sell over here. So here I have teach you how you can simply register Deribit account, how you can simply withdraw and withdraw and deposit the money, and you can simply trade here, buy or sell. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.